If you've ever wondered how people trade with $50,000 or more without actually having the money in their bank account, well, that's called a prop firm. And let me break it down for you. What is it? Prop firm stands for proprietary trading firm. Basically, these companies let you trade their capital instead of your own, okay? You pay a fee, usually somewhere between 50 to a few $100, and you take an evaluation, which is really just a test to prove that you can profitably trade and manage risk. That's the hard thing, everybody, manage risk. Once you pass the evaluation, they give you a funded account, you trade it, and then you make a profit. And the profit that you make, you split it with them. Usually you keep 80 to 90%. Some prop firms let you keep 100% of the profits you make with a max of what you can withdraw. Okay, there's more steps, but I'm just trying to give you the basics of what a prop firm is. Okay, so why not just trade with your own money, you may ask? Well, two reasons. One is the biggest. I ain't got $50,000 or $100,000 in my bank account where I can just willy-nilly throw in some trading and probably lose it all. Because let's be honest, when you first start trading, everybody, you're going to lose a little bit of money. You're going to lose money. That's just part of the game, everybody. You're just going to just know that you're going to lose money to begin with. So a prop firm lets you trade size you couldn't otherwise afford. Two, risk. This is the main thing, risk. So if you blow your evaluation account, you're only out the money that you put in for the evaluation, which is right now Apex has got a great sale with a no activation fee for $49. So for a 50K account challenge, it's $49. If you lose that account, you're out $49. So that's the thing, risk. If you had your own capital and you lost $3,000 of the trailing drawdown, what Apex or these other prop firms allow, that's your money you're out of. You're not going to get back. So that's the main biggie there, everybody, is the risk that's involved in a prop firm. Well, so it's not free money. So every prop firm has rules. They have daily loss limits. They have max drawdown limits. Sometimes rules about how many days you have to trade. If you break those rules, you lose the account. So there is strict rules you're going to have to adhere to, okay? That's where most people fail. Not because they can't trade, it's because they don't know how to respect the rules, okay? So the basics idea of a prop firm, that's it. I trade through Apex Trader Funding myself, and I'll be breaking down more on this, how evaluations work, what rules actually matter, and the basics of futures trading. That's what we trade on prop firms. Most of us is futures right here on this channel. If that's something you're interested in, everybody, check out Flash Trades Futures. And like I said, this is just the basics of it, and we're going to get started. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.